So good morning to everyone. I hope your day today is full of happiness and mag-ingat sa biyahe, yung mga papasok, all of you. Siyempre, lahat ng may gagawin ngayon, mag-ingat kayo sa paglabas sa bahay. At yung mga nasa bahay lang naman, i-enjoy nyo lang yung buhay. Dahil ang buhay, kailangan gawin nating makulay at masaya. Okay, good morning. Hello. So let's eat our breakfast for today. This is my breakfast. I'm in my room today because but I like here today. I just want to eat here. So this is my breakfast, caramel macchiato, cold. Actually I want hot, but hindi ko nakita. I didn't see that the available macchiato is only cold. So that's why I drink cold coffee today for this morning. And of course, hindi mawawala ang aking favorite na macaroni cheese with sausage. So every time talaga na pumupunta ako sa 7-Eleven, hindi nawawala ang pagkain ko niyan. Tsaka yung isang kanin na maanghang. So you see, tumigas na siya kasi medyo natagalan ako sa pagkuha. You see the cheese? It's actually very cheesy sa price niya. Hindi siya ganun kamahal. So, konting tiis, makakauwi rin tayo. Yeah. Parang hindi siya katulad nung nakaraan na kinain ko. Parang medyo dry siya ngayon. Siguro napasobra yung pag microwave nung crew kaya nag-dry siya. Kasi yun lang naman yung pwedeng maging reason para mag-dry ito. Good morning to everyone and happy eating. And I hope your day today is good. Okay, let's eat breakfast again. So my breakfast is macaroni cheese with sausage and cold macchiato. So this is, yeah, so actually this is my favorite, but now I don't eat in 7-Eleven, I eat in my room. Okay, so let's start to eat. Kung tatanungin niyo pala, I'm in my hotel room drinking macchiato, cold macchiato. It's very good and it's very nice. Only here in 7-Eleven, Thailand. It's good. Very good. Actually, in the Philippines, ah, mahal siya. Kasi 35, pag kinonvert mo siya, 1 times 1.89. So, more or less, nasa 70 pesos siya. Hindi ko maiwasang mag-convert kasi nagtitipid ako. So, instead na ibili ko ng mga luho-luho or mamahaling pagkain, tinitingnan ko kung kaya ko siyang, although nagtatrabaho talaga ako para, at ang mindset ko kasi kailangan makatipid kasi hindi habang buhay tatrabaho tayo. Kailangan we need to enjoy our life. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm enjoying my life.